So how can we evaluate this particular integral? So to start with, for the exponential function, we should know that the standard is, let me use the letter y. With respect to y, the result is the same, which is e to the power y. Okay, I avoided x because I don't want us to confuse it with what we have here. So the integral of e to the power y with respect to y is simply e to the power of y, of course, plus the constant of integration. So this means that the integral of e to the x with respect to x will simply be e to the x plus c. Now, what we have here is 2x. So I'm going to let that 2x be a certain expression or letter. For example, I'll say let that 2x be u, like that. So that my expression now, my integral, will become the integral of e to the u dx. But there's a problem. The power is u, we're giving respect to x. So now what I need to do is I need to come back here and differentiate. So 2x differentiated is simply 2, so multiplied with dx. U differentiated is simply 1, so multiplied with du. So if I make dx a subject here, you can clearly see that dx is equals to du divided by 2. So this is what I need. So if I obtain this, I'll say integral of e to the u, I'm replacing dx with du over 2. So this can become, that 2 that you see there can go outside the integral like this, so that I only remain with e to the u with respect to u. Now I have this result here because I have u as a power of e and du. So this will result in half. The integral of e to the u with respect to u is simply e to the u. Then I have to add the constant of integration c. So final answer, replace u. Remember the assumption that we made? U was 2x, so replace u. So our final answer will simply be half e to the power 2x plus the constant of integration c.